And this girl...
Look at me.
Abigail Williams.
What of Abigail Williams?
Well, I began to think he fancied her. And so one day I lost my wits, I think, and I put her out on the high road.
Your husband, he did indeed turn from you.
My husband is a goodly man, sir.
No, he did not turn from you. Look at me. To your own knowledge, has John Proctor ever committed the crime of lecturing? Answer my question! Is your husband a lecturer?
No, sir.
Marshal, she has spoken. Remove her.
Elizabeth,
She has spoken!
Elizabeth, I confess it! She only thought to say my name, Your Honour. I believe him! This girl is always struggling false! He will not! He can't be anything!
Shout. Girls, why do you...
It's all me! Behind the room, girls!
Where?
Why do you come, you old bird? Elizabeth, I see no bird! My face! My face! The head!
Be quiet.
Do you see a bird?
Be quiet!
You can't make my face! You cannot want to turn my face! The bees again, they say, Mary! Oh, Mary! This is a black hat to change your shape! No! I cannot! I cannot stop my mouth! Because what can I do? Abby, I'm here! I'm pretending, Mr. Dunbar! Mary! Mary, please don't come down! Claws! She's stretching her claws! Lies! Mary, please don't hurt me! I'm not hurting her!
Why does she see this vision?
She sees nothing! She sees nothing! Abby, you mustn't! Abby, you mustn't! I'm here! I'm here! I'm here! I'm here!
Got that glass straight out of them!
Mr. Dunbar! Mr. Dunbar!
You backed them to the devil, have you not?
Never! 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 Never!
How many have we been to?
I'll give you a weapon, I'll stop this! Sporting, Nathan! It's sporting! Stop it! Abby, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
No, I think there's no real things happening. Where have you found this power?
I have no power! I have no power! I'm calling you, mister!
You so mad to pass me. You're a sinning devil, have you not?
You cannot believe them!
I...
You'll confess.